Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NMR. In my previous videos, I've been showing you a huge down channel breakout that was happening on the weekly time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $23, and now it has dropped down at this long-term support of $11.45. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for NMR. That was, by the way, I shared in the month of Feb 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that NMR formed with US dollar pair, not with US dollar pair, with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that when I shared this idea at that time, it was moving slightly above than this potential reversal zone. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again moved down inside this buying zone, read the sell target zone, again moved inside this potential reversal zone. Then we had a bigger pump. And this was, by the way, almost 20% move on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern, and this was also formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this was almost 70% rally on this daily time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal crab move that NMR formed on the weekly time frame chart. And I shared this idea, by the way, in the month of June 2022 with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive price reversal, and this was more than 350% pump on this weekly time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the charts, and this is the NMR weekly time frame. And previously, I've been showing you this huge breakout that was happening on this weekly time frame chart. And by the way, from this low of November up till this high of Feb 2023, that you can see it rallied more than 172%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $23. Previously, you can see this level has been breaking as a resistance here, support here, and for several weeks or months this level of $23 has been breaking as a strong and long-term support here. Therefore, again, it is flipped into a strong resistance, and now you can see for the past several weeks or months, it is again breaking as a strong resistance. Now the price line has dropped down at a very long-term support of $11.45, and previously this level has been breaking as a support here and as a support here, and now the price line has again dropped down at this support. Here, I would also like to show you the stochastic oscillator as well. You can see that stochastic has completely entered the oversold zone, and you can see that the price line is forming higher low than previous low. This low was here, and the next low that the price line is forming above the support of $11.45 is higher than the previous one. Slightly, it was moved down here. And if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see it is forming lower than previous low, just below the price line. Here, it formed lower this low here, and next low is lower than the previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence that stochastic is showing, and it is completely oversold. Therefore, there is a probability that now from this support, maybe we will have a sideways move at this support and this above this support resistance of the channel as well. But finally, the price line can start a bullish reversal from here. However, it is possible that if the price line moves more down and forms another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence can be removed from the charts, and the price line can even drop down to the next support. However, so far so good. We have this hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, there is a probability of the price reversal. And at the same time, we also have another bullish bias pattern formation on the daily time frame chart. That is a falling wedge pattern, and you can see that it is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, it can break out or break down the support or resistance of this channel. For example, if it will break down the support, then the next target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $6.80. And in case of breaking out that I'm expecting, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $27 to $28 at the top of the wedge. And the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel that has already happened on this weekly time frame chart is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $90 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.